In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GA4 with Google Ads in about 5 minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Google. This might seem like a straightforward step, but it's where everything begins. Navigate to your favorite browser, type Google in the search bar and hit enter. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on this. Now you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Analytics and Google Ads. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and fill in your password. Remember, this is an important step to ensure the security of your account information. Next, you'll click on Next after entering your password. This step is about verification and moving forward in the process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small grid of dots. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Google Analytics. This action will take you to the Google Analytics homepage. If you have more than one analytics account, make sure you're working in the right one. Now for the technical part, in Google Analytics, you'll see a sidebar navigation menu. Towards the bottom of this menu is the admin setting, which you should click on. This will take you to the admin settings of your Google Analytics account. In the admin section, look for a column labeled Property, where you'll find Product Links. Under Product Links, click on Google Ads Links. This section is crucial for integrating your Google Analytics with Google Ads because it's where you'll link the two services. And next you'll see a link button. Click on this to start the linking process. This action will take you to a new screen where you can choose which Google Ads accounts you wish to link with your Google Analytics property. If you have multiple Google Ads accounts, you'll see them listed here. Click on Choose Google Ads Accounts. Make sure to select the correct account or accounts that you want to link to Google Analytics. After selecting your accounts, click on it to move forward. After selecting your Google Ads account, you're getting close to the finish line. Now click on Confirm to confirm your selection. This step essentially tells Google Analytics which Google Ads accounts you're granting it permission to access. Now you're presented with an opportunity to configure ad settings. This step allows you to tailor how data from Google Ads will be presented and integrated with Google Analytics. It's an essential step for ensuring that the data you see in Google Analytics aligns with your advertising goals and parameters. Take your time here to make sure everything is set up exactly as you want it. Finally, the last step is to review and submit. Double check that all the information and settings are correct. This is your last chance to make sure everything is lined up as you wish before finalizing the integration. After reviewing, you click Submit and voila, you've successfully linked your Google Ads account with Google Analytics 4, GA4, and there we have it. By following these steps, you've bridged your Google Analytics 4 with your Google Ads account. This integration unlocks powerful data insights, helping you understand how users interact with your ads and website. It's a crucial step for any digital marketer looking to optimize their ad spend and strategy based on user behavior and website performance data. Remember, periodically check back on your linked accounts to ensure data is flowing correctly and to make adjustments as your advertising strategies evolve. Integrating Google Ads and GA4 is just the beginning. The real magic happens as you dive into the data and use those insights to drive your decisions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips to navigate the digital marketing landscape.